అమ్మ నీకు రికార్డ్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను చూసావా?
ఓకే ఓకే, స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ పెట్టావా?
స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ కూడా వస్తుంది.
ఓకే నువ్వు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నావా చందు?
కాదు మరి బై మిస్టేక్ నొక్కిన.
Are you able to see the program now?
Yes ma.
Okay. జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారా ఇంకా?
ఇంకా అయితే ఎవరు రాలేదు. we had just 5 participants. అందులో నుంచి ముగ్గురే.
ఓకే ఓకే, మెసేజ్ అయితే పెట్టావు కదా నువ్వు?
పెట్టాను. క్లాస్ కంటిన్యూడ్ ఫర్ 20 minutes, జాయిన్ అగైన్ అని.
Okay, now coming to this, I already told you, na, making a meaningful, reasonable output, we have to say here, just A I kept, so there is no meaning of just, it is displaying the value. If I say, instead of just A, if I say area of rectangle, then it will be more meaningful display. Area of rectangle is equal to, okay, perimeter of rectangle. Is equal to, so whatever you write, that is only displayed, but it should be like more understandable. User should understand. Now if I compile, so there is no errors and warnings now also. So we will go for execution again. Run. Now enter the length of the rectangle. Whatever you want, you can do 20, 10, something. So instead of 200, it is showing reasonably area of rectangle.
నువ్వు అవుట్పుట్ షేర్ చేయలేదు.
అవుట్పుట్ షేర్ చేయలేదా?
రావట్లేదు.
స్క్రీన్
షేర్ చేయలేదు.
ఇక్కడ అలా చూపించలేదు. Okay, now it is showing output window. So I just added this message, no, that is change. You can observe area of previously it displayed only value, not this message. If I add this message, then it will be more meaningful. Otherwise 200 means what is mean by 200? 200 is the area of rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle. Like this you have to, it won't give any compilation error, but it won't be effective output. If you don't add effective messages, then it won't be effective output. That you have to make a habit of writing the effective output, also very important. Okay.
Okay.
Now you got it. Why all these are all writing? Okay. Now we can go to again program.
Return value ante return value.
I'll show you. I'll come to program. Actually here if you see what is the function means, function is first it will function, how to declare means first we'll write return type of the function. Return means function generally takes some input. It is similar to more program only. It will take some input, it will process that input and it gives the output. Okay, output in the form of return. So here get details doesn't take any input. Whatever the input you want to give, you have to give it in these braces, parameters. These are called as parameters. Then whatever the output it will give, that will be given here, void. But if you observe here, void means if it returns nothing, then it is called as void. If returns something, we call it as integer, because integer into integer or something, always it will be integer only. If I take 2.0, 20.5, then I have to make it as float. Data type as float, real numbers. Okay. So that's what because it is returning something, must mention the return statement. This is syntax actually. So whenever what is function means, function always returns something. If it returns something, we have to write return statement. If you observe, it's a reserve word. Okay, return what it is returning, whatever the value it is returning, I am writing here. You can do it in two ways here. You can declare some variable here, area, int area. This can be also done in two ways. Local, this is called as local variable, local to the find area, int area. Now I can write the formula here. Area is equal to length and breadth, length into breadth. Sorry, length into breadth. Now I need not to write here expression here. Directly I can write return area. Return area. This is the another way of return. Okay, similar to your steps in mathematical. Now I find out the area. Then I am returning that area from this function. Okay, this function takes this length and breadth implicit input, and it will find the area and it. So this is these way also you can return. Now see whether it will work out or not. What happened here? The breadth was not declared in this scope. Okay. So I need to take this outside of function and outside of class. I am referring here now, because it's a private variable. It is showing the message. It is not in the scope of this method. It is showing. If you want to work out with this, you have to make it public. These two ways you can do. Either you have to make these variables as public, or you can define the method within the class only. That's the two ways you can do it. Okay. Was declared in this. Oh, practice spell mistake unda emana. BREADTH. Oh, BREA. Okay, that's it. Sorry, no need of public. అక్కడ చిన్న మిస్టేక్ అయినందుకు it's not showing. It's not declared variable కాదు కదా. Okay, that's compile. Hopefully you don't get anything here. Error 0 and now you are getting why the return type is different. I can write return area also. This will be more meaningful or easy way. Otherwise, instead of declaring again one more variable, generally, what is the best way of practicing, best way of writing the program means you have to reduce the memory and reduce the instruction and make a quick execution. Quick execution means less number of statements, less, your execution will be quick. That's what I have written directly here, written into. If it is needed, we can declare. Here I have declared area as a separate variable. It's okay, it will work, but generally we have to avoid it. Okay. Now I am running this. Is it available? Are you seeing this running screen? No, no. Oh, 1 minute. I'll show you. Okay. Enter the length of the rectangle. Now I will give 20 and 10. I'll get 20, 20 also you can do. So length is 20, breadth is 20, area of rectangle is, sorry, 20 you cannot give because it's a square, it becomes area of rectangle is 4, perimeter of rectangle is 8. So Now if you see, for area I have written area, but perimeter I have given expression only, but return statement both we have written in different way also it is working. Okay, this is about your why return means function has to return. Return means it's returning whatever the calculated value that has to be returned. Because it is void, it is not returning anything. So here also you can put one more variable like int perimeter and return p you can write. Okay, otherwise you can write it directly in this way. That's it. Are you able to understand now all these? Okay. Okay, we'll call it today itself. Good night to everyone. Tomorrow we'll discuss again. Chandu, are you there? Hello? 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 Hello?